So my name's John Banks. I live in Rayleigh in Essex, and I think my passion for lawn care has come from remember seeing my dad with a cylinder mower mowing his lawn when I was about 7 or 8, and I'm in a place now where I've got a nice garden at home, so started to get really enthusiastic about it. I think I like the brand Allett, so I've seen, we've got a garden centre near where we live, so I've seen the mowers there. Started to get more involved, and I really wanted to get an understanding of grass, how to cut, why to cut, the problems with grass, fertiliser, the regime that you have to do throughout the year. My favourite part of the day was definitely testing the mowers. So I enjoyed that, but it's all been very, very educational. Lots of nice people, great demonstration, really, really useful. So, and I'd definitely recommend the day for anyone really, even from just wanting to find out a bit more, all the way through to greensmen, to people that offer lawn care kind of locally and so on.